Perfect.
Hello everyone, welcome to GreyPot. Today we're gonna make a Greek recipe which is served as a dessert as well as a snack. And the name of this beautiful recipe is Loukoumades. It's so easy to make and very delicious. These little yeast risen dough balls are deep fried to a golden brown and then sprinkled with some simple sugar syrup. So first let's make the batter for frying. Into a large bowl, add in some all-purpose flour, some corn flour, some instant yeast, sugar, salt, and then mix all the dry ingredients. Now into this, add in some warm water. The water should be lukewarm, not hot. The batter should be in semi-thick consistency. Cover it and let it rest for 2 hours or until it gets double the size. And after 2 hours, when I mixed the batter, I felt the batter was a bit loose, so I added a bit more all-purpose flour to make it into a semi-thick batter. Before frying the batter, let's make the sugar syrup. Into a pan, add some sugar, water. Now turn on the flame and mix till the sugar is completely dissolved. Now add some lime juice to avoid crystallization. Now allow it to boil for 5 to 10 minutes till the sugar syrup becomes sticky. Now heat some oil in a pan. Now take small portions with your hands and drop it into the oil. You can see the batter consistency. It is neither loose nor thick. And the moment the batter touches the oil, it gets puffed up and forms the ball shape. And while these balls are frying, you have to continuously mix it so that all the sides get even brown shade. After adding the batter, when it gets puffed up, you feel so satisfying that you feel like adding more and more into the oil. But don't go with that. Add just 4 to 5 drops at a time because this gets cooked really fast and changes its color. So initially when you're frying the balls, if the batter didn't get puffed up, that means your batter is really loose and you have to add more flour and make the batter into a semi-thick consistency. Now after frying, drop them in sugar syrup and mix it for 2 to 3 seconds and serve it. Or you can serve this in another way, like just before serving, just drizzle the sugar syrup on top of it and serve it. Now instead of sugar syrup, you can also use date syrup or melted chocolate. Another name for this Loukoumades is sweet dumplings. It has a very crispy texture outside and inside it is really soft and spongy. So I hope you all like this unique Greek recipe. Definitely try it out and give this video a big thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications of new videos. Watch more interesting and unique recipe videos from our channel GreyPot. Do check it out. Thank you.